Where your vehicle was located, your vehicle was not like that.
Sit down.
No.
You sit down. Get on the ground.
What's up, guys? Squink here, back with another video. I used to be a cop, and I'm not anymore, and that's okay. But every single day, I am doing these videos where I walk in blindly to a new video every single day. Using my law enforcement background, I like to believe that it's the most raw and real way for you to get a glimpse into the cop brain. So as I watch these, it's like I'm entering the situation like I used to. But without fail, on social media, in these videos, there's always one question that people want to know. And that question is, what the hell are the cops doing? What are the cops doing? Why are they like this? So I'm here to answer those questions, whatever else pops up in today's video, which comes from Donut's raw police footage. Officer slams elderly man to the ground. Uh-oh. Never seen it. Let's go.
The way that your vehicle was located, I'll have to write you a ticket for improper U-turn. Whenever you complete a U-turn...
I didn't U-turn.
Hold on. Whenever you complete a U-turn, you're supposed to be as far to that corner as possible, okay?
No, see, that is, they have another car in front of her. That's why, I cannot parking behind her.
Okay, well, you are required to go as far away between, you're not supposed to be between any cars. You're supposed to be against that curb line, okay? I need you to sign with your finger. It's not an admission of guilt. You're just signing saying you'll take care of the citation for a ticket. You're promising saying that you'll take care of it at a later date, whether that be in court or if you take care of it.
What a silly... I don't know. I understand there's laws, but some things, like he did an improper U-turn or didn't get over far enough. This is the guy where...
outside of court.
I get it, but...
I don't know what you're talking about.
So I'm writing and issuing you a citation for improper U-turn. Yes, sir.
Citation, she hitting me and I got the citation.
I'm not writing a ticket for her hitting you.
Okay, so I think it's an accident. I think this female is the other party in the accident. Okay, that makes more sense. Now I understand.
Okay.
No, she hitting me. You see the...
I'm not writing a ticket.
You see the evidence. No.
Okay. I don't think that you're understanding what I'm saying here, okay?
I understand. I told you. The car, the front of her, her to the and she didn't turn.
Whenever you make a U-turn,
I didn't make a U-turn.
Sorry. Let me clarify, okay?
Yeah.
Whenever you enter a little intersection thing like that, you are not allowed to go side by side next to a car. Okay? You have to go behind vehicles.
Hey, you are the police.
Yes.
So you know.
Okay.
How many cars?
We are done, sir. No, we're done arguing about this, okay?
I don't think so.
We are not We are not arguing about this, okay?
I want to show you.
We argue in court.
Yeah, I mean, I agree with the officer here. You do argue in court. I used to tell people that all the time. Now's not the time. Now's not the time to argue. I mean, you can, but ultimately it's not going to solve anything. I've already made my decision. So I do agree with him there. However, there seems to be a little language barrier here. So he's just doing what comes naturally to him. He's wanting to prove his point right now, and I understand that as well.
We argue in court.
You take the phone and...
We argue in court.
No,
we don't argue on the side of the road. We argue in court. Yes, that's how it works. Because if not, if you don't sign this, you go to jail. Okay?
Yeah,
I don't want to take you to jail.
I'm ready to go to jail.
You ready to go to jail?
Yeah.
Ridiculous. Okay, that involves impounding your car too.
Yeah.
Okay. You got a ticket also?
Yes.
Your tag's expired?
Yes.
So you're good to get out of here?
Okay.
There's a report. I'll get to you guys in a second. Wait there. So,
sorry.
this is the ticket.
Right.
This woman's like, yeah, this doesn't seem like the cop I want to argue with.
The date at the bottom that you have to take care of it by. And then below that, there's a phone number, website, address. One of the three will tell you how and where to take care of it.
Okay.
And then there is a case number right there. Has everyone's person, vehicle, and insurance information on it, okay?
Okay. So now I guess I'll just get my insurance to go after or take care of it.
Yeah, just call the insurance, give them the case
Okay.
number.
Thank you, sir. I'm so sorry.
147.
Go ahead.
Can you roll me another unit? I got this guy up here and a supervisor. He's refusing to sign a ticket, and he's wanting to go to jail.
My husband, we stay here waiting for go to here. We not U-turn.
Okay,
waiting to
it doesn't
go
matter
here.
about a U-turn or what. That lane,
And I
You
heard,
can't-
she bit us. She hit us.
I understand that, but you're not. You see where that car's at? Whenever you enter that area, that's what you're supposed to do. You're not supposed to leave any space at all. You're not supposed to leave any space at all.
Straight.
You see that two car?
These cars are like, what are these people's problems with me?
Yeah, that's what you're supposed to do.
I am the
The
top
way
car.
where
I'm the
your
top
vehicle
car.
was located, your
Top
vehicle was
car.
not like that.
Sit down.
No.
You sit up. Get on the ground.
No. See, sir. No. Cho anh thẻ một lần. Anh đánh nó, đánh lại. I need the ambulance.
Yeah, I'm gonna call an ambulance.
Look at his face.
112 Hefner, roll me fire and incident of supervisor.
This lady knows something's about to go down. That's why she stayed. You can kind of just tell by the cop's demeanor that, I don't know. Not okay, though. Not okay. So, if you watch, he'll hit his body cam. But that's not... Oh my god. Again, as an officer, you have to take everything into consideration. Is this guy really a threat after he ticks your little body cam? You're gonna go to those lengths? What the hell are the cops doing? What the hell is he thinking? Are you kidding? You have to weigh the size, the stature of the individual. It's just like when entering a fight. You've got to decide, should I disengage, wait for backup because this guy is massively huge and muscly, or can I take him? Can I effectively affect the arrest on this individual without backup? This guy didn't take into consideration the age of the man, how skinny the man is, the language disconnect. Those are all things you've got to take into consideration. This cop did not do that, and for that reason, I give him an F. He was fine for a while, but then you could tell he started to get agitated, and he let it get the best of him. You've got to let things slide off your shoulders. I understand that the Asian man ticking the body camera could be seen as assault on an officer, but I'm sorry, that's so ridiculous. That's so uncalled for, and slamming him on the ground like that is just... I have no words. I give him an F. I do these videos every single day. I'm not afraid to call out bad behavior on the police. Just because I was a cop doesn't mean I support them blindly. That's not the case at all. This guy is so far in the wrong right here in this situation. It's not even funny. It's truly not even funny, and it's kind of scary. I'd be curious what happened to him, and I'll find out after this. You can read the description below of the entire situation. Every single video I do, I put one in there. If you like this video, like, subscribe, comment, share, and I will see you tomorrow for tomorrow's video. Bye.